I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Mitsubishi Mirage oil light. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. Then, find the trip or reset button, usually located near your speedometer or odometer. You will need to press this button several times to cycle through the display options until you see the service reminder, often indicated by a wrench icon or a service period message. Once you've turned the ignition off, press the trip or reset button repeatedly. Keep pressing until the service reminder, often a small wrench icon, appears on your display. This screen will also show you the remaining distance or time until your next scheduled service, such as 5,000 miles or 6 months. This is the specific menu we need to interact with to clear the alert. Now, to perform the actual reset, press and hold the trip or reset button for about 1 second or longer. You will notice the service reminder indicator on your display start to flash. Once it begins flashing, release the button. Immediately after releasing, press the same button again for less than 1 second. The display should then show clear or confirm the reset. After confirming the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Then, restart your Mitsubishi Mirage to verify that the oil service light has been successfully turned off. If the light is gone, you've done it. Always remember that regular oil changes, typically every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, are crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.